Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg, sitting on an all-new Boston Whaler 16 Sport. Why am I wearing a life jacket? Because it's a metaphor. When you buy a Boston Whaler, you are surrounding yourself and your family in a virtual life jacket. The unsinkable legend. How about it, baby? Not a very large boat, so there's not going to be a great deal of moving around, but I can show you just about everything right here from the helm station. Right here you got your throttle, your steering wheel doesn't get much simpler than that. If you want to be the coolest mom or dad in the world, why don't you get one of these for your kid for Christmas? Alright, that's enough one-liners for one day. Let's get down to the meat and potatoes. Got some storage here underneath the windshield. Keep your phone, wallet, keys in there. As I like to say, the big three. Got your cooler right here, of course. Keep about 18 crispy boys nice and cold. Of course, not for the captain, because we like to practice safe driving here at MarineMax St. Petersburg. Got the Bimini top. It's an option, I know, but in Florida it is a must because this sun is no joke and you got to be able to get out of it. Up here on the very bow, we've got a great amount of storage down in the anchor locker. This folds down, of course. You got a nice big deck up here, which brings me to my next point. Should I do that triple backflip like I did to Take States back in '08? Well, I'm not doing that right now. You'll have to catch me at a sandbar for that. We have a saying here at MarineMax St. Petersburg. It's go big or go home. While a 75 is standard on this boat, we bumped it up to a 90. And as somebody that's driven this boat before, I can say you will never be frowning when you're on this boat with this engine. As we've seen recently in 2019 moving forward, we do have a swim platform back here. Double cannonball action, just how we like it. Light blue hull side colors on this boat. When I see this boat, I think it's sexy. It's good looking. It's simple. Starting a movement right now. 2020. Simple is sexy, and sexy is simple. How about it, folks? Captain Nick Pavlakis here at MarineMax St. Petersburg. Come on down, let's have some fun. See you next time.